Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English effectively for board exam, only way. Begin by blocking 50-minute study sessions with 10-minute breaks and stick to them consistently. Use active reading, note key vocabulary, and underline theme sentences. Practice past papers every week and review mistakes immediately. Record short voice summaries to self-test speaking and listening skills daily to boost confidence and retention. Adopt active reading as your backbone for English study and make it routine. Read with a pen, underline topic sentences, and write brief summaries after each paragraph. Turn unfamiliar words into flashcards and review them using spaced repetition for reliable recall. Mix fiction and nonfiction to widen language exposure and use summaries to practice concise expression for essays and answers. Practice under pressure and seek honest feedback for steady improvement and confidence. Sit full-length mock tests under exam conditions, then mark them carefully to spot recurring mistakes. Share answers with a teacher or study buddy for constructive critique. Build a short error log and revise those points first in every session to turn weaknesses into strengths before the actual board exam.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.